Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the USA. One of my favorite artists from Zim is Trevor Dongo. I have actually reacted to his song. I think this song I'm about to react to, I've reacted to it before. If not, I've listened to it so many times. It's one of my favorite songs. One of my favorite videos as well. The visuals, my goodness, 100%. Okay, so if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. We are going to be speaking Tswana. Saka ine ndinogona kutaura Tswana. Tswana ndoinzwa shamwari. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, Rega Zviende, like let them go, let it go, let them go, let it go, something like that. You let me know in the comment section if you are speaking Tswana. Tell me this is not the most beautiful video you've ever seen. And I know, like, okay, if you think that I'm lying to you, like this is not the perfect video you have ever seen, go check it out on your own. Go to Trevor Dongo's YouTube page up there and check it out. Like the quality of this video, man, I am just mind blown.
Yeah.
And if you didn't watch the video, cause you can tell like what is going on. When you look back, use your mind or your head to think. Something like that. It's, you know, I'm not too far. Love is not solved in the middle of a crowd. Something like that. It's, you know, I'm not too far. Right? Like, that's basically... Also, like, I just noticed this when I was watching this video recently. Because I'm from Botswana, I'm going to be, like, looking at everything. And I'm like, oh, wow, that's cool. Okay, you see what I mean? Like this guy, I'm gonna try to zoom in. There we go. I was watching that. I was like, oh my goodness, is that Tswana? It could be Sotho, but yeah, I'm gonna claim it. It's Tswana. It says Skinag, which means it's time. Hey. Like, where did we lose it, me and her? Like, what happened to us? You know what I mean? Because, like, I don't get it. Everything was good. I was gonna translate for you guys. I realized every time I'm trying to translate Tswana, I always get lost. I get stumped. But I understand most of the things that is going on. Most of the things that he is saying, I can understand. Don't ask me how I know, but I know. That's a beautiful house though.
Kana jaramba, uzamarikete iwe siya
Like, if it's refusing, do not. I feel like I've reacted to this because I remember pausing exactly where I paused this video saying, like, it says, if things are not refusing to work out, do not force them. Just let it go. Let it go. Okay. Now that I've watched this video so many times, sorry I keep pausing it, and I'm noticing few things. And you watch this other guy's Look at this t-shirt. What's written there? How about this bad man? And you get it. You get it. How you changed? That's a beautiful place there. I'm gonna be that's in Harare or something. And I think this is the brilliant video, because this whole time this lady is not smiling at all. Whenever she's interacting with Trevor Dongo's character, she is not smiling. She's crying, she's upset, she's throwing a tantrum. Now she's on the phone and smiling. Like, yo, dude, are you like... She's still gonna deny. She's like, nah, don't like... Anyway, that's Trevor Dongo, all the way from Z, man. Yeah, I love music from Zim. Love you guys from Zimbabwe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are watching this for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. If you're from Zim, let us know in the comment section what the song is all about. Okay, I know, but let us know.